Have you ever been curious about what happens deep in the forest, where giant trees are harvested? Join us to explore the world of forestry machines, where strength and technology blend to create high-quality wood products. From logging machines that cut and peel the bark to specialized trucks that transport wood out of the forest, each machine has an important role in the wood supply chain. Start with the wood chunker with rims, a unique and cost-effective invention that uses an old car wheel rim as the main cutting blade. With a motor of up to 15 horsepower, the machine is capable of rotating the wheel rim at speeds of up to 1,000 RPM, helping to split logs up to 15 cm in diameter into custom segments. This simple yet effective design is popular in the DIY community, although it requires safety measures such as a guard and an emergency shutoff system to ensure user safety. In preparation for the upcoming hurricane season, Mr. Watts, a landscaper, is trimming the tall branches of a tree on the property of his old house. With the powerful ST IHLMS 194T chainsaw, he can easily handle large branches thanks to its top handle design and 1.9 horsepower. When a branch unexpectedly falls near him, the quick-stop chain brake and vibration reduction technology help him handle the situation safely and accurately. In particular, the machine saves him time thanks to the easy chain tensioning system and tool-free fuel tank cap, ensuring the job goes smoothly and safely. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of sawing two 22-foot pine logs into 12x12 beams using a solid tooth saw. You'll see every step from arranging the wood on the saw to the final cuts that create perfectly sized logs for construction projects. Solid tooth saws help create clean cuts, preserving wood quality for future processing or construction work. The video shared tips and techniques to keep in mind when sawing pine, such as maintaining proper tension, cutting speed, and handling the challenges of working with large wood. Do you find that using this wood sawing machine will save you more time and effort than traditional methods? TigerCat 1185 new generation logging masterpiece. With a powerful design, powerful engine, and smart crane, the machine easily overcomes all terrain, from mangrove forests to high mountain slopes. Compared to other models, the TigerCat 1185 operates more stably, is more durable, and is more fuel efficient. Thanks to that, the machine helps reduce exploitation costs and increase production efficiency, bringing high profits to users. Wow! The TigerCat 6900 is a true wood-crushing monster. With a powerful 500 horsepower engine, the machine can crush up to 1,000 tons of wood per hour. Reversible rotor with speed of 1,500 RPM and crushing force of 50 tons easily handles the toughest logs. Each cut of the rotor can create fragments as small as 5 chem. The sturdy machine frame, combined with a water cooling system, ensures the machine operates continuously in harsh environments. Hallfinger Epsilon M12L Warrior in the logging industry. With the ability to lift loads of 12 tons meters, the crane easily handles wooden blocks up to 1 meter in diameter and 6 meters in length. The flexible crane, which can rotate 360 degrees and extend up to 11 meters, helps access wood in the most difficult locations. Advanced hydraulic systems and modern control systems help minimize downtime and increase productivity. Compared to other crane lines, Palfinger Epsilon M12L has higher durability, longer lifespan, and lower maintenance costs. In the modern logging industry, the Komatsu 931XC, combined with the C144 cutting head, stands out as an outstanding wood harvesting equipment. With a 255 horsepower engine and powerful hydraulic system rated at 139 GPM, this machine easily handles the toughest mining jobs in harsh off-road conditions. The C144 cutting head is capable of accurately cutting tree trunks up to 28 inches in diameter, delivering high performance and excellent cut quality. Max Explorer control system with friendly interface helps optimize workflow, minimize downtime, and improve productivity. Behind every wooden product is a complex exploitation process, requiring smooth coordination between people and machines. Husqvarna 572 XP stands out as a powerful and efficient machine. Equipped with an X-Torque engine that reduces emissions and saves fuel, the machine delivers outstanding power. Auto-tune technology optimizes performance, automatically adjusting the engine to suit working conditions. Featuring a safe chain brake and ergonomically designed handle, the Husqvarna 572 XP delivers safety and efficiency. The cone splitter wood cutting machine uses a twisting mechanism to split wood. This special design makes cutting wood easier. Details such as bearings and transmission systems are meticulously installed to ensure stability and efficiency during operation. One of the tests of this machine has been shared, showing its strong performance and wide application in tasks such as wood trimming. Continuous improvements help the machine operate more efficiently. Have you used this wood splitter before? And if so, can you share your experience? This wood harvester is a technological wonder, with the ability to move quickly and cut accurately, making harvesting a chore like never before. The Ramek Log Splitter Wood Cutter, manufactured by Y. Raunist Oy, is a highly efficient wood processing device that helps increase productivity in sawing wood for firewood. The machine is equipped with a revolver splitter head, capable of handling logs up to 20 inches in diameter and up to 40 feet in length. The machine's hydraulic system has a dividing force of up to 33 tons, enough to handle large logs and branches. Ramek Log Splitter can install 5 splitters, dividing logs into 2, 4, 8, 16, or 24 pieces at a time, making it an ideal choice for large-scale firewood production facilities. The John Deere 1270G is a logging super machine designed to maximize productivity and working efficiency in all conditions. With a powerful 268 horsepower engine, flexible crawler system, and multi-purpose crane, the machine easily handles the densest forests. The 360-degree rotating cab, panoramic visibility, and intuitive controls provide maximum operator comfort. J-Link and Timbermatic Maps technology not only helps monitor the working process, but also optimizes maintenance and extends the life of the machine. Compared to its competitors, the John Deere 1270G stands out with its high durability, superior performance, and lower operating costs. Log debarking machine is an important equipment in the wood processing process at sawmills, especially in pine wood processing in Ukraine. The machine helps remove the bark layer before proceeding with the next processing steps. The machine uses a rotating rotor with sharp teeth to peel the wood as it passes through. Then the bark will be collected through a conveyor belt. This process keeps the wood clean and improves the quality of the final product, from sawn boards to wood chips. The peeler is suitable for many different types of wood and diameters, playing an important role in creating high-quality wood products. In a dense forest in Scandinavia, logging crews encountered difficult terrain with rocks and large trees. They used a John Deere 1210E, a powerful wood harvester. With a flexible crawler system, the machine easily moves through rough terrain, while a multi-purpose crane helps harvest wood quickly. J-Link technology helps monitor machine health and optimize maintenance. The project was completed ahead of schedule, and the team was pleased with the performance and durability of the John Deere 1210E. With this electric chopper, RPEO Erstal Houtnipper, you can process large quantities of tree branches and wood branches quickly and effectively. With the ability to crush branches up to 9 km in diameter, the machine transforms tree branches into useful scraps of wood, serving many purposes such as firewood, mulching, or composting. The powerful LIFAN engine, combined with a durable HARDOX steel frame, ensures stable operation and durable for a long time. The Binderberger Packer Pack Machine Europalette is the optimal tool for firewood packing, capable of collecting logs into crates measuring 1200 m 800 m, suitable for Euro pallets and one-way pallets. After packaging, the firewood is wrapped in breathable mesh to help dry quickly. The machine has a choice of 2 engines, hydraulic or electric, and can handle oil flows of up to 20 liters per minute at a pressure of 180 bar. Compact design, easy to transport with 3-point connectors or forklift hooks, optimizing space and improving work efficiency. If you want to discover more about technological advances in forestry and stay ahead of new trends, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting content.
If you find this content interesting, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to discover the most amazing machines with FAR window.